Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Hi students, how are you? I am your English teacher Mahfuja Bithi, Assistant Professor English, Lalkuthi School and College. I feel you all are fine. I am also fine. Okay. This is your introduction class and this is my first class with you. But sorry to say I cannot see you. But you all are seeing me. Okay. So this is the wish of Almighty Allah. We suffer, all of the people of whole of the world suffer. Okay, we should take it easily. So this is our introduction class. Do you know how nice your institution is? Do you know the name of your principal? The name of our honorable principal is? Do you know the name of our principal is? Abdurrahman Sarkar. He is our respectable person. He always think about our institution, teachers and the students' welfare. Okay. So listen to me and be attentive in my class. We should know before going to our class about our book, your textbook. Okay. I hope that you all of the students purchase this book already. The students who don't purchase, please purchase this book. From today, we start our English class and gradually we will complete our book in this way. So, I believe before going to our classes, before going to our books, we should know the lessons, units, how many units in your book. Students, I like to say you, several students or all of the students or some of the students think it is a hard subject, but not. I don't believe this. If you learn gradually, if you learn again and again, this subject will be easy to you. Please understand me. And then please see unit. You have units and introduction with units and lessons. Subject English first and second paper. Okay. So we have 15 units here. In your book we have 15 units and several lessons. 15 units of course, but we have not to learn all of the lessons. All of the lessons is not necessary to read out. Some lessons are important and we will discuss about these lessons. Today I will discuss with you about Unit 1, Lesson 1. Unit 1, Lesson 1. Here is Nelson Mandela. We should know about him, who is the famous person. In your book, you can see the picture of some famous person. From all of this person, we have to learn about Nelson Mandela. I think you know, you have already learned, you have already heard the name of this person. Who is he and why he is still famous for? Students, I know that you don't know your question pattern. We should know the question pattern also. If you don't know the question pattern, in which way you will learn? In which way you will ready yourself? So, I like to introduce the question pattern with you. You have 3 lessons. 1 to 12. You have 3 lessons and from this lesson, first lesson, you will have the choose. Question and question answer. In second lesson, there is summary. Third lesson, there is another. In this way, you will gradually introduce with this lesson, with this question, and you have to ready yourself. Okay. So I think, and from my experience, I will tell you that we should learn the lessons carefully with meaning. Without meaning is not essential. We have to learn the meaning. In every lessons we have to learn the meaning, and the meaning you will find some books in the market. You will get some books in the market. Chaudhry and Hussain, Kajol brothers books will help you. Okay, Nabodut books will help you. Your question pattern, if you want to know the question pattern, the books will help you, and the meaning also, the question will help you. Without meaning, this will not helpful for you. Okay, so in every passages, we should know the meaning of this question. If you give question answer, if you don't know the meaning, you cannot totally answer the question. So any subject apart from English, if you want to capture, we should learn, we should know that first of all reading, secondly learning, thirdly understanding, fourthly writing. Okay, first of all reading, secondly learning, thirdly understanding, and fourthly writing. So first of all reading, so you have to read carefully. You think that some students think that we have not an institution, we need not go to an institution, so we not need to read. This is very bad. Okay, you for yourself, for your necessary, you should read your books carefully. Or if you need the help of the teacher, please contact with me. I will try my best to help you. Okay, students, if you feel anxious or feel boring that our teacher all time speak in English, if you cannot understand, please contact with me. But I think sometimes I should speak in Bengali with you. This will be encourage you. Okay, so আমি তোমাদের রিকোয়েস্ট করব যে তোমরা বইটা ভালো করে পড়ো, ভালো করে জানো, অর্থ তোমাকে ভালোভাবে জানতে হবে এবং এই অর্থই তোমাকে হেল্প করবে। তুমি হেল্প নিলে অন্যান্য বইয়ের হেল্প নিতে পারো। আমাদের অনেক বাজারে অনেক টাইপের বইগুলো পাওয়া যাচ্ছে। যেমন চৌধুরী অ্যান্ড হোসেনের বইটা আমি অল টাইম অবশ্যই ইউজ করে আসছি, শুরু থেকে অল টাইম ইউজ করে আসছি। তুমি সেইটা ইউজ করতে পারো। তারপর তুমি নবদূতের বই ইউজ করতে পারো। তোমরা কিনে নাও, হয়তো 300-এর উপরে পড়ে যাচ্ছে। ইটস নট এ ম্যাটার, তোমাকে কিনতে হবে, পড়তে হবে। আর এবার যেভাবে সরকার এসএসসির তোমাদের রেজাল্টটা দিয়ে দিয়েছে, এটা তো সব সময় হবে না। তোমরা অনেকে গা ছেড়ে দিবা, যা এবার যেভাবে হয়ে গেছে হয়তো এভাবেই চলবে, পরের ব্যাচ এভাবে চলবে, তারপরে ব্যাচ। নো, দিস উইল নট বি ট্রু। ওকে, সুতরাং এখন থেকে পড়ো, না হলে তোমরা কিন্তু নিজেকে কভার করতে পারবে না। হ্যাঁ, আমরা টিচাররা এভাবেই তোমাদের হেল্প করে যাব, সরকার যতদিন চাবেন আমরা এভাবে হেল্প করে যাব, তোমরা আমাদের হেল্প করো। আর আমি বারবার বলছি, যদি কারো প্রয়োজন হয় টিচারদের সঙ্গে, নট মি, এনি টিচার, এনি সাবজেক্ট টিচার, so call them, connected with them. Okay, we will be happy. So student, no more today. Okay, thanks a lot.